The social media framework runs an extraction process that can search and collect posts on a particular topic from popular sites. The collected posts contain spam that is filtered out. Good quality posts are then moved to the database for further processing. At the next stage, posts are classified to determine their sentiments. A natural language text processing algorithm is trained on a data set with pre-classified positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. It then runs on the collected posts and assigns a sentiment to each. Finally, a presentation layer with a set of generic dashboards has been built to analyze the data. This is a demo of the interactive dashboard of the Social Business Intelligence Framework. The dashboard has 4 tabs, and we'll have a look at each of these tabs in detail. In the first tab, Brand Analysis, a holistic picture of a given brand is depicted. There are 4 sections in this tab. The first one is a pie chart showing the breakup or split of nature of sentiments, positive, negative, and neutral, for a given brand, say Y. The one to its right is a graph depicting the sentiments of the brand over time. The next section shows details about the top 5 influencers of a brand measured by their follower count, their influence, and their nature of sentiments about the brand. Clicking on a specific follower gives the overall sentiments of that influencer, as seen in the adjacent meter. Clicking on Posts gives a count of the posts and the overall nature of the sentiments. We can view both of these by clicking on the Both radio button. The adjacent meter shows the overall sentiments when one of the bars in the graph is clicked. Moving on to the next tab, Competitive Benchmarking, gives a comparative view of both the brands as to where does each of the brands stand with respect to the other. This helps business to take action to better their brand and move towards the positive sentiments when it comes to people's view. The comparison is shown by total number of posts, by time, by feature, and by location, which is currently limited to the USA. Right now, we can see each of these charts for all the posts regardless of the nature of sentiment. But we can filter the posts based on the nature of sentiment by clicking on the corresponding buttons for positive, negative, and neutral. The pie chart in this tab shows the percentage of posts for each of the brands. The adjacent bar graph is the trend of posts over the given period of time for both brands. This chart contains the drill down of posts by feature or attribute. In this case, the features are commercials of the brand, the product itself, and others. When these posts are put on the USA map, it can be clearly seen which brand is being spoken or discussed about in a given state. Clicking on each of these states gives the count of posts for both the brands. Now, to get the same level of details for each of the sentiments, the radio buttons above can be used. Let's move on to the third tab, Marketing Opportunities. This tab gives a clear picture of the overall sentiments for a given brand in a given region. This drives business in getting to know the sentiments about their brand in a given state and take actions to compete against the other companies or brands to end up on the positive side. Say for a given brand Y, in Texas the sentiments are more towards positive, whereas in Nevada it is negative. We can even get to see the actual number of posts contributing to these overall sentiments in each state and break up by features. Coming to the final tab, Posts, takes you to the absolute posts where are the finest possible levels of details in their entire framework or concept. Clicking on brand Y shows sentiments by time, and a click on one of the bars gives the actual posts or messages published by the users that can contribute to the overall sentiment. Hence, this collective dashboard portrays all the dimensions, KPIs, that have been the cause for driving people's sentiments towards a given brand, which in turn helps the stakeholders from the brands to take necessary steps. Thank you.